Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a growing crisis that's threatening agriculture and livelihoods. The invasion of wild boars. These destructive animals are wreaking havoc on farms, trampling crops, and causing millions of dollars in losses each year. Farmers in Florida are struggling as their cornfields are relentlessly ravaged, putting their main source of income at risk. But what's the best way to stop them? Can hunting and wildlife management strategies turn the tide? Stick around as we uncover the truth. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Imagine spending months tending to your crops, only to wake up and find them completely destroyed overnight. This is the harsh reality farmers face as wild boars, some weighing over 300 pounds, trample through fields with unstoppable force. Their powerful tusks rip through stalks, leaving behind shredded corn, broken plants, and financial devastation. What's worse, their destructive feeding habits don't just affect one farm. They can wipe out entire harvests in a region. In the heart of Florida's wilderness, hunting wild boars is not just a challenge, it's a fight for survival. These feral beasts are highly intelligent, unpredictable, and fiercely territorial, making them one of the most dangerous invasive species to hunt. When threatened, wild boars don't run, they charge. With razor-sharp tusks and immense speed, they can knock down a hunter in seconds. In 2019 alone, Florida recorded 250 cases of severe hunter injuries from boar attacks, a grim reminder of the raw power and aggression of these animals. Every hunt is a test of skill, strategy, and sheer resilience. Faced with an escalating wild boar crisis, Florida launched a statewide hunting campaign to curb their population. Unlike traditional hunting methods, this operation relies on professional hunters and highly trained dogs, creating a strategic advantage over these elusive and aggressive animals. The results speak for themselves. Wild boar populations have been reduced by an impressive 40% annually. By combining technology, teamwork, and skilled hunting techniques, Florida has transformed its approach to invasive species control. However, maintaining balance is crucial to prevent ecological disruptions while ensuring the safety of hunters and residents alike.
Oh, look at that.
Wild boar hunting is a necessary but highly regulated practice, designed to control invasive populations while maintaining ethical hunting standards. To prevent overuse of hunting dogs and ensure sustainability, each licensed hunt permits only 3 dogs, allowing for controlled and effective tracking without overwhelming the environment. These limitations protect not only native wildlife but also the dogs themselves, ensuring they are not overworked or put in unnecessary danger. By enforcing strict regulations, Florida ensures that wild boar hunting remains a responsible and sustainable conservation effort, rather than a reckless extermination campaign. Wild boar hunting requires split-second decision-making and precise marksmanship, but even the best hunters must adhere to strict firearm safety rules. A poorly handled gun can lead to fatal accidents, turning an already dangerous hunt into a life-threatening situation. Hunters must regularly inspect, clean, and maintain their weapons, ensuring they are in top working condition before each expedition. Trigger discipline, proper aiming techniques, and controlled shooting are not just hunting skills, they are survival skills. In the chaos of the chase, only those who prioritize safety and precision walk away unscathed. The battle against invasive wild boars is far from simple. It's a constant struggle between conservation, ethics, and necessity. While hunting dogs have proven effective in controlling their numbers, concerns about animal welfare, ecosystem disruption, and overhunting continue to spark debate. Is there a way to balance wildlife management and ethical hunting practices? Can education and stricter regulations bridge the gap between hunters and conservationists? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this discussion, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of wildlife control.